doing, me old muckers? Welcome back to this week's video. Money talks. However, in Britain, talking about money can be quite a complicated thing. So today I've got 5 money slang terms that we use in Britain. Check this out.
Babes, have you got any change?
How much do you need?
A quid?
Yep, here you go.
Thank you.
In Britain, we use the term quid to mean £1. Now, while it's most commonly used to refer to an individual pound, it can also be used as a replacement for any multiple of £1. For example, £22 can be 22 quid.
Babes, do you fancy an ice cream?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I'd love one, thanks.
Lend us £5 then.
I've only got a tenner.
That'll do.
Right, you guys aren't stupid, so I'm not going to spend too much time on this. We use a fiver to mean £5 and we use a tenner to mean £10.
Babes, I've got a fine.
A fine?
A speeding fine.
How much?
A ton.
A ton? A ton?
We use the word ton to refer to £100. Now, it's also worth knowing that we use the word ton to represent 100 in other contexts, most notably sport and when talking about speed. This car is a hell of a runner. I mean, it's had one owner, not really done many miles. I mean, hardly really left the drive, to be honest. But anyway, absolute bargain, yours for £1,000.
£1,000?
Yeah, £1,000.
We use a grand to refer to £1,000. Like quid, a grand can be used as a replacement for any multiple of £1,000. So for example, £16,000 can simply be referred to as 16 grand. So there we go. I hope this video helps you next time you're splashing the cash in Britain. As ever, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. We'd also love to hear your suggestions for future videos. So if you want to see anything covered, just comment below. See you next time. Miss you already.